It's been almost exactly a year since the last time we looked at the top AR games for iOS, and there are now a whole bunch of new AR games available on the App Store. ARKit has continued to gain improvements, especially with the release of ARKit 2.0 in September. So let's see just how much AR gaming has improved in the last year. Let's take a look at the top 5 new AR games on iOS. A lot of these games can't really compare to a lot of the top-rated competitive games on the App Store, but these AR games are incredibly fun for kids since the game visually interacts with the real world. For number 5, we have AR Robot. In this game, you can create a completely customizable robot, train him, and fight against other robots. You then level up skills, and you can even battle your friends locally to see who has the most powerful robot. Alright, so we're going to start off by scanning our table here. Let's put him right over here in this area. There you go. As you guys can see, the tracking is pretty great. Infernal Protection. Alright, so this is basically like, I guess, Tekken or that kind of game, except everything's happening automatically. You just do your own abilities. Just like that. Yeah, I'm getting destroyed by this guy. I think this is a little bit of a rigged matchup. Got completely destroyed. You can actually customize everything here. As you guys can see, it's all locked. You can just buy this stuff. Strength, defense, precision. Got all these upgrades you can do. You can train as well. Let's train the strength. And here, you're really just tapping to pass each little stage. And yep, time's up. There you go, just leveled up. We can also battle locally. So basically, make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network. You can host a game, you can join a game, so you can play with your friends, challenge their robots. You can go around the room. Definitely not a bad game. You can see it being a lot of fun for the kids. For number 4, we have Flat Pack, which is a platforming game where you maneuver a character through various levels, collecting puzzle pieces and avoiding obstacles to finish each level. They recently added an AR mode which puts each level into the real world, making it incredibly fun and interesting to play. So this game's basically like a platformer, and I beat these 2 levels before. Let me just try this one right here. As you guys can see, you can place it really anywhere you'd like. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. There you go. Let's go around and fly. Okay, we got that. Oop, swing around. There you go. You collect these little pieces here. Then let's go down here. All the way down here. Collect that one. Okay, what's right here? And there you go. We finished. So I'm basically like trying to outrun this thing. Oh no! Are you kidding me? That would have been the end. For number 3, we have Defended. This game is a bit different compared to others since you have to scan a vertical surface instead of the floor. You basically just defend the crystal from waves of robots who fly through the wall, getting increasingly difficult with each level. Now we're gonna scan the wall this time, not the floor or a table, the wall. Let's place this right there. Let's place it. Now we can kind of go around. As you guys can see, they've just broken down the wall and you just basically defend the crystal. Nice. There you go. It's pretty cool. Like legitimately looks like your wall just broke down. Like they do a very good job with the effects on this. And yeah, you can move around. Makes it really cool. Literally see through it. Look at that. You can like go into it. Look at that. The developers did a really great job on this one. These effects are really cool. I like how you can actually like go into the wall and it still tracks it like perfectly. Ooh, let's grab that. Oh, someone's attacking. Oh no. I am so bad. If you have kids, they are going to love this game. For number 2, we have Arias Legacy. This game is basically a puzzle game that has you looking at hints and clues and using keys to unlock special doors to solve problems. It can get pretty difficult at times, but the game allows you to watch an ad for a hint on what to do next. So next up we have Arias Legacy. This is a very interesting game. It's like a problem-solving, kind of clue-based game. Let's put it right there. As you can see, we have a whole bunch of stuff. Sorry about the mess behind there, but basically there's like a storyline that's going on, and you have to solve some problems. Locked drawer. Locked. What can we do here? Oh, there you go. Inspect. Stone samples, okay. Let's try out all of these. There you go. Found another key and found this interesting little box. Cool. It's got some like mysterious music. Check this out. I've got some markings on this right here. I think it might have to do with this. Let's inspect it. How about we match this up? There you go. Just unlocked it. And we've got this interesting little piece. Not exactly sure what it's for, but let's grab our key. There you go. 2 more keys and a little piece of paper. Wood, nails, paper, auger. Okay, that'll be useful for later. There you go. Let's try to unlock something else. Oh, that unlocked. Perfect. Oh, it's got another key. Oh, got a little, some sort of box, another key. Wood, nails, paper, auger. WNPA. P-A. Oh, just picked something up. So we've got another piece. I think this would be a very, very fun game for a lot of kids out there. Oh, look at that. Gasoline. There you go. That opened up. Okay. It's almost it. What? Is that it? Sweet. What is this? Got some sort of crystal. I've got to say I'm impressed. I think the kids are gonna love this game. Finally, for number 1, we have Kings of Pool, which has been around for a while, but they've also added a new AR mode. The interesting thing about this game is that you can actually play with your friends on a local network. Gameplay is incredibly smooth and accurate, and you get spatial audio as well. It's got a couple of different modes. It's got the practice, it's got versus the robot scratch, and it's got multiplayer, so you can invite your friend over and literally play pool with them without a pool table, just connecting locally with your iPhones. So for now, I'm just gonna do versus scratch. Let's scan the floor. We can place it right here in the center, I think. Okay, opponent's turn. Let's talk about Opsgenie by Atlassian. When your website or service goes down, it's more than frustrating. Incidents like this are inevitable, and it all comes down to how fast your company can respond. Opsgenie gives teams the power to respond quickly by notifying the right people in various ways, like SMS, push notification, or even an automated voice call. And if they don't respond, notifications go up the chain of command to make sure the issue gets resolved ASAP. It also tracks all activity and provides useful insights to improve future incident response. Sign up for a free 5-member company account by going to opsgenie.com, and your next incident won't stand a chance. Got a little robot here, and the cool thing is that you've got spatial audio. So everything that happens, you hear it from your stereo speakers. It's pretty awesome. Just like that. There you go. Some solids. Got it. Look at this guy, he's angry. Golf clap. All right. Let's get this one over here and get it precisely just like that. Let's get this one right here. There you go. Oh, 2 in 1, look at that. Let's see what else he does. The way this works is just incredible. Their game engine, this works amazingly well. Okay, my turn. Look at this guy, he's getting upset. Boom. This is a blast. This is my favorite, to be honest. Just because it's a competitive game, And you can play with your friends locally. This is where it starts to get really fun. Playing games like pool. Now imagine something like ping pong. I mean, that's gonna be a little bit difficult, but the stereo speakers, look at this. You can hear it from the left side. Yep, he won. Come on, man. Yep, this takes the #1 spot for sure. Yep, I lose. There are a few other AR games we tried out, but a lot of them don't require you to move around, and they honestly aren't very fun. Some of those honorable mentions include Dragon Putt, Tamagotchi, AR Airplanes, and ProtectYoElf. Overall, we're extremely impressed with the improvements that came with ARKit 2.0, and we're excited to see what the future holds for AR mobile gaming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.